My first time being mic'd up too.
Hi, I'm Giap. I'm from the UP men's football team. I play left back or left wing back, and I am a fifth year in public ad.
Hi everyone, I'm Francis Tacardon from the UP Men's Football Team 2. I'm a forward and I'm also a fifth year public administration student.
Let's go.
Kalimutan ko.
You guys are gonna pick up random questions that will let the audience get to know who you are.
Bowl of questions, huh?
Wait. Do both of us answer it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Question number 1. Share a hidden talent.
Ikaw muna.
Actually, okay. Hindi ko lang kung hidden pa rin siya because my mom keeps sharing my videos. But I like to sing. I don't say I'm good, but I like singing.
You have to show them like how it's done. Go.
Give me a song.
We are the world.
Sige.
Go.
I sing We Are the World, Michael Jackson. There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. And thank you. Yeah,
Alright.
hidden talent.
My hidden talent is I can say the alphabet backwards.
Go.
Oh, okay. ZYX, WV, UTS, RQP, ONML, KJIH, FEDCBA. Yeah, that's my hidden talent.
Actually, hindi ko alam yun.
Really?
Didn't know that. Yeah.
I never really told anyone.
Your turn.
Alright. Next question. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go and why? Where would I go? I would go to Venice, Italy, just because it looks so cool, and I want to ride one of those boats, and yeah, travel. What about you, sis?
Ako, my dream destination is really Iceland. I'm a very nature boy, and Iceland is known for, diba, the Aurora Borealis, the volcanoes, the glaciers, so very, very cool country to visit. Next. What's one thing on your bucket list that you've been wanting to do but haven't had the time yet?
Ooh.
Ah.
Ooh.
Ah. Oh, sorry.
Okay, I have one. I want to watch an El Clasico match, like in person, live. So El Clasico is
Sabi dito, you haven't had the time, not the money.
say time and money. And so I want to watch an El Clasico match. It's basically Barcelona versus Real Madrid, and it's always a good match. And yeah, I don't have the time and money, more on the money, but like, yeah.
For me, I've always wanted to try desert ATV or yung mud ATV.
Oh, yeah.
Since, been training every day ever since. No breaks at all, so I can go to places where I can do ATV. Ayan.
Where can you? Where's the nearest? What is your favorite dessert? Mangoes. Yeah, I love mangoes. So, it's like a big, round, and fat mango. Yeah.
Same with me, pero with sticky rice, mango sticky rice.
Yeah.
As someone who lived in Thailand for 2 years,
Yeah.
that has been my go-to dessert ever since.
I love the mango. The mango
Sarap,
sticky rice.
mango
there.
sticky rice.
With the coconut milk.
Yup. What personal achievement are you most proud of? Okay.
Ganyan.
Sports-wise, it's really making it to the national team. That has been my biggest sporting achievement. And academic-wise, obviously graduating in a very prestigious university such as UP.
Yeah, I'd say my biggest achievement, sports-wise, is getting into the team and to the UPMFT. It was a huge honor, and also winning the championship with them. And yeah, it was really good.
Last question.
Alright, let's see if it's good. Mahaba pa. What's a non-sports related hobby that you enjoy? Ooh, okay. I like reading a lot. I haven't had... now that I have more time, so I'll start reading again. And I also like to play the piano, which I haven't had much time as well, but I'll start again.
Non-sport hobby is gaming. I think for me, it's nice kasi it kills time, number one. I get to play with my friends, with my teammates. And obviously, nakahiga ka lang. Sometimes, mobile gaming, nakahiga ka lang, you can rest while playing. So, I think it's a good downtime. And I enjoy playing it.
Alright.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you!
Meron pa.
Ano?
Oh my god!